Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A15s, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and then here on the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. So now just open the app here, click yes I agree, click close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and as can you see here we got the section with the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 28 degrees. And also here we got another information about our battery level, health, capacity, and the other information like the Android version, model, and more other info. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.